Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I did a quick little extension video in the beginning, but I do have a full video on how I put them into different videos, so I'll make sure I link that below. And then I am also filming what I have on today. So if you guys would like to see how I got this look, just continue watching. So I pretty much just got done with filming and noticed that my mic was not on the entire time. So I'm gonna see if I can do a voiceover and still kind of cut it to where you guys can like see what I'm doing. I'm like super frustrated. I'm trying not to let it get me down because I want to put up this video for you guys, and I literally just spent the past like 2 hours filming and didn't even realize that my mic wasn't on. So we'll see what I can do, and yeah. I'm super pissed that it didn't work. I really hope it freaking works. If it doesn't, I'm gonna be super pissed. I cannot believe I just sat here for 2 hours and didn't notice. I knew something looked weird. Such an idiot. Such an idiot. Well, whatever. Hey guys, so I'm going to start off right into the makeup tutorial. Today for my primer I'm using the Benefit Professional, and just going in on my T-zone and just kind of rubbing it in because that's usually where I get the most oily. After that, stepping into my foundation, I'm using the number 7. It is the Beautifully Matte one. It's super full coverage and I seriously love it. I am in the color Cool Ivory. Using a BH Cosmetics buffing brush, I just put a little bit of product on there and I am buffing this onto my face. I love that it covers up everything. I'm definitely a full coverage girl and I have a lot of redness in my skin, so this is definitely a little bit more of a cool tone foundation. It has some green in there which combats the red for me, so I really like it. Next, going in with concealer, I am using the Tarte Shape Tape in the color Fair Beige. I love how thick and creamy this is. Today I'm just putting it underneath my eyes just to kind of brighten everything up. And then going in with a Real Techniques sponge and just buffing all of that out. After all of my concealer is buffed out, I then like to set everything with some powder. So today I'm going in with the Physicians Formula. This is in the color Translucent Medium, I think. It is pretty full coverage, and like I said, I like to set it with everything. So I'm using a big powder brush from BH Cosmetics and just setting my face. Next, gonna be bronzing it up. I'm using the Too Faced Milk Chocolate Bronzer. I'm seriously obsessed at how all of this smells. You literally could eat it. Just going in on the hollows of my cheeks and going on going on my forehead. Just bronzing everything up. It gives it a little bit of a nice shadow and just gives your face a little bit more dimension. After my bronzer, I love to use this blush. It's more on the deeper side, not so much pink, but has a good mixture of both, I think. So I got this at Ulta. The color is Poised. So bringing on the apples on my cheeks and a little bit further onto my cheekbone, I feel like it just gives you life. After this, I am of course going to be highlighting my face. This is the Carlie Bybel palette, the deluxe still edition. Sorry, I can't talk today, but I'm just going on the high points of my face, down the bridge of my nose, and my cupid's bow. And of course, onto the brows. Gotta love it. This is the Ardell Brow Pomade in the color Dark Brown. Usually just like to go over the shape since I have very defined brows already, and oh my gosh, don't look up close. My brows are disgusting. I totally didn't even realize it until I was filming this video. Today also using a tinted brow gel. Sometimes I use clear, but today I was kind of feeling a little bit of tint, so this one is just like a medium brown color, and it's so nice because then your brows just literally stay in place all day. So after tinting my brows, I'm going to be starting with my eyeshadow. Today I'm using the Tartelette palette, the Amazonian Clay Matte palette to be exact. So going in on my eyelid, I am using the color Free Spirit. It's just a beige color just to kind of brighten everything up. In my crease, I am then going in with Natural Beauty. Just a mauve kind of a color. It's a little bit like a light purple. Just going in and blending everything out. Then wanting to make it just a little bit darker, so I'm going in with the color Dreamer, which is more of like a brown taupey shade. And then just to kind of blend all of it together up into my brow bone, I'm using the color Force of Nature. Then to highlight my brow bone, I'm going in with the Dandelion Twinkle by Benefit. Really light, really shimmery, and just going in and highlighting that brow bone. And then I'm going to go in and highlight the inner corner as well. After I highlighted my eyebrow bone, I am then going to just set everything. I just feel like the NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray just kind of ties it all together, and it just makes all of it just look super dewy and just super natural, and I just am obsessed with it. So next I am going to be starting with the winged liner. Today I'm just going in with a drugstore black eyeliner that I found. I'm not really sure or can remember where I got this, but I do love it. It's super black and it's super easy for me to apply. So after doing that on both eyes, I then go and just coat my eyelashes with the Rocket Volume Mascara by Maybelline. It is waterproof. It's kind of hard to get off, but I do like it. So just coating my top lashes and then going in with the Ardell Wispy eyelashes today. I love false lashes. They're literally like life. I pretty much wear them all the time. It's a rare occasion when I don't wear lashes. So last but not least, using this Tarte lip color. It is a suede matte by them, and in the color Rave. I seriously love it. So I hope you guys enjoyed. This kind of just ties everything all together. Alright everybody, that is all I have for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and make sure you subscribe. And I will see you again in my next video.